8th standard students. So already we have taken some portion of this chapter in online class. Chapter number first, rational numbers. I explain the definition of rational numbers. Natural numbers, then whole numbers, then integers, then collection of all natural numbers, whole numbers, and positive integer, negative integers. And if we can write the number with fraction, positive, negative, and we can write in the form of numerator and denominator, where denominator should not be zero, that is called rational number. Now, properties of rational numbers already we studied in the online class. I explained you the addition, closure property. Under addition is applicable or not on the natural numbers, then whole numbers, then integer, then rational number. Then subtraction for same natural numbers. Already we have done this. You can see here for integers also, and if you will read, it is very easy. Then rational numbers, and the definition of a number can be written in the form P upon Q, where P and Q are integers and Q should not be zero, is called a rational number, for example. Okay, in fraction we take positive, but in rational number, positive, the collection of fractions, positive with negative numbers we take, that means all. Then product, division, that day we have done. Now for this table, rational numbers, fill in the blanks in the following. Under addition, closed, under addition, yes, close all. Subtraction, if we subtract two rational numbers, again we get one rational number. Integers also yes, but whole number not applicable. Then natural numbers, no. Now multiplication, if we multiply two rational numbers, again we will get rational numbers. Integers, same way, if we multiply two integers, we will get again integer. In whole number, in natural number. For natural number, if we multiply two natural numbers, 2 into 3 or 3 into 2, again we will get natural number, so it is also applicable. And if any confusion, we can see here for natural numbers, but it is multiplied by whole numbers are closed under multiplication, so natural number also will be yes. And then division, no. If we divide two rational numbers, it's not necessary, again result will be rational number. Same for integer, whole number, and natural number. You can see here 5 upon 8, 3 upon 5 maybe. Now commutativity. I explained for you for natural number, for integers, whole number. Now we will see for rational number. Okay, so let us start. Commutativity properties for rational numbers: addition, multiplication, subtraction, division. Now rational numbers, addition, that is minus 2 upon 3 plus 5 upon 7 is equal to 5 upon 7 plus in the bracket minus 2 upon 3, that is called commutativity property is applicable in the rational number. For addition or not, we are checking. So first we will take minus 2 upon 3 plus 5 upon 7. LCM of 3 and 7 is 21. Then LCM we will write here 21. Now denominator is 3. We will divide in this denominator by 3. So 3 sevens are, and multiply by 2. So 7 2s are 14 minus 14. Same way we will divide by 7 in 21. 3 times multiply by 5 in the numerator. So 15. 1 is negative, 1 is positive. So subtraction will be there and 1 will be left, and before positive sign no need to put. Now we will change the order, and you can see here what will be happen. 5 upon 7 plus minus 2 upon 3, LCM will be 21, and plus minus 5 upon 7 minus 2 upon 3 is equal 15 minus LCM we will take and divide by this. 7 3s are and 3 5s are 15. Now 3 7s are 7 2s are 14. 15 minus 14, 1 upon 21. So in both the conditions we are getting 1 upon 21, same answer. So it is applicable for commutativity property is applicable in the rational number for addition. Now subtraction we will check. Now we will check commutativity of rational numbers for subtraction. Minus 2 upon 3, subtraction sign, 5 upon 7, LCM will be 21. Then when we will divide 21 by 3 7 times, it is divisible. Multiply by 2 numerator, that is 2. So 7 2s are 14 minus 14. Now 21 we will divide by 7, 3 times it is divisible. Multiply by 5, 5 3s are 15. So two negative numbers, when we add, we put negative sign and we add the number. So minus 29 upon 21. Now 5 upon, we will change the order. So 5 upon 7, negative sign, in the bracket minus 2 upon 3. Negative, negative, positive. LCM will be 21. When we will divide 21 by 7, we will get 3. 3 multiplied by 5, that means numerator 15 plus 3 7s are 21, 7 2s are 14. You can see there 15 plus 14, 21, 29, 15 plus 14, 29, 29 upon 21. Here is negative sign, here is no sign, that means positive. So minus 29 upon 21 not equal to 29 upon 21. So subtraction is not applicable. That means on commutativity property for subtraction is not applicable on rational numbers. Now we will check commutative property for multiplication of rational numbers. So minus 2 upon 3 into 5 upon 7. So numerator you will multiply by numerator, denominator by denominator. So 5 2s are 10 and with negative sign, and 3 7s are 21. So the value will be minus 10 upon 21. Now we will change the order. Now we will take 5 upon 7 first and multiply by minus 2 upon 3. So numerator by numerator, denominator by denominator. So 5 2s are 10. So minus with negative sign, minus 10 upon 21. In both the conditions we can see minus 10 upon 21, minus 10 upon 21. So multiplication is commutative for rational numbers. Clear? Now we will check for division. Minus 2 upon 3 divided by 5 upon 7. So minus 2 upon 3 multiply by reciprocal we will write 7 upon 5 because we are changing division sign into multiplication. So multiply 7 upon 5. Numerator by numerator, denominator by denominator. So 2 7s are 14, minus 14 and 3 5s are 15, minus 14 upon 15. And here now change the order. So 5 upon 7 divided by minus 2 upon 3. 5 upon 7 division will become multiplication sign, and minus 2 upon 3 reciprocal of minus 2 upon 3 minus 3 upon 2. So numerator by numerator, 5 3s are 15 with negative sign and 7 2s are 14. We can see here in the numerator here 14, in the numerator here 15 with negative sign. So minus 14 upon 15 is not equal to minus 15 upon 14. That means subtraction is not commutative for rational numbers. Now we will fill this table. So today we have seen that addition, commutativity is applicable for addition in rational numbers. Subtraction, no. And here you can see the definition. Two rational numbers can be added in any order. We say that addition is commutative for rational numbers, that is for any two rational numbers a plus b equal to b plus a. Same way, not applicable. Multiplication, yes. Division, no. Now we will fill this table. Okay. Complete the following table. Rational numbers, addition, all. Addition is commutative for all type of numbers. Okay. Subtraction. Subtraction is not applicable for all type of numbers in commutative property. Okay. Now multiplication for all. If we multiply two rational numbers in any order, we will get same. That means a plus b equal to b plus a into b equal to b into a. Division for no. If subtraction is not, then division also will be no. If addition is applicable for all, then multiplication is also applicable for all. Now we will see associativity for natural numbers, for whole numbers, for integers, then at the end for rational numbers. And then we will fill the table. Now associativity of natural numbers for addition. So we'll change the position of bracket. First, the natural numbers here 2, 3 and 5. Now you can see bracket is here. So 2 plus, as it is, first we will solve bracket. 3 plus 5, 8. 2 plus 8, 10. Now bracket we will shift in first two numbers. So you can see 2 plus 3 plus 5, 2 plus 3, 5 plus 5, 10. In both the conditions you can see the answer is same. So associativity of natural numbers for addition is applicable in natural numbers. Now for subtraction. So 2 minus 3 minus 5 is equal 2 minus 5, 3 minus 5 minus 2. Greater number is having negative sign. Minus minus plus 2 plus 2, 4. Now we will shift the position of bracket. 2 minus 3 minus 5. 2 minus 3 minus 1 minus 5. Two negative numbers always we add with negative sign. So answer is minus 6. Minus 6 is not a natural number. So subtraction is not applicable. Associativity of subtraction is not applicable for natural numbers. Now multiplication. 2 into 3 into 5. 3 5s are 15 and 15 2s are 30. 2 into 3 into 5. 2 3s are 6. 6 into 5, 30. It is applicable. Now we will check for division. Now for division we are checking. So 2 divided in the bracket 3 divided by 5. So 2 divided 3 upon 5. Now division sign we will change into multiplication. Then reciprocal of this number we will write 5 upon 3. Now numerator by numerator, denominator by denominator. So 2 5s are 10 upon 3. Now we will shift the position of bracket. 2 divided by 3 divided by 5. 2 upon 3. And this sign we will change into multiplication. So reciprocal of 5 will be 1 upon 5. 2 1s are 2, 3 5s are 15. Now in both the condition you can see these two numbers are not natural numbers, and as well as these two values are not equal. So division is not applicable on natural numbers in associativity property. Okay. Now we will see for associativity of addition on whole numbers. Now you can see the first addition. So starting from whole numbers, 0 plus in the bracket 2 plus 3, 2 plus 3, 0 plus 5 and 5. Now here you can see 0 plus 2 plus 3. So 0 plus 2, 2, 3, 5. In both the conditions, both the equal sign we can put. So associativity property is applicable on whole numbers for addition. Now for subtraction. So subtraction you can see here 0 minus in the bracket 2 minus 3 equal to 0 minus 2 minus 3, that means minus 1, because greater number is having negative sign, so we always put negative sign. Now minus minus plus, so 0 plus 1 equal to 1. Now 0 minus 2 minus 3 equal to 0 minus 2 minus 2 minus 3. Two negative numbers always we add with negative sign. So 2, 3, 5 with negative sign. So it is not equal. 1 is not equal to minus 5. And second thing is minus 5 integer, negative integer is there. So it is not a whole number. So subtraction is not applicable on whole numbers in the associativity property. Now multiplication, 0 in the bracket 2 into 3, 0 into 6, 6 zeros are 0. 0 into 2 into 3, 2 zeros are 0, into 3, 3 zeros are 0. In both the condition you can see the answer is 0. So multiplication is applicable in the associative property of whole numbers. Now division, for division I have changed the numbers. 1 divided 1 I have taken in place of 0, because in the 0 it is applicable, but I have taken other numbers, it's applicable or not. So 1 I have taken, 1 divided by 2 divided by 3 in the bracket. So 1 divided, division sign as it is. Now this sign we will change into multiplication, reciprocal of 2 upon 3, 3 upon 2, so the value is 3 upon 2, and 3 upon 2 is not a whole number. Now 1 divided by 2 divided by 3, so 1 upon 2 into 1 upon 3. Why? Because division sign we have changed into multiplication, so 1 upon 3. 1 ones are 1, 2 3s are 6. It is also not a whole number, so 3 upon 2 is not equal to 1 upon 6, that means it is not applicable. Now we will check for integer. We will check for addition. So you can see there addition, 3 integers I have taken, minus 2, minus 5 and 3. So minus 2, minus 5 plus 3, minus 2, minus, plus minus minus, minus 4. Now bracket shifted here. So minus 2, minus 5 plus 3, minus 2, minus 5, minus 7 plus 3, minus 4. In both the condition, answer is minus 4. So addition is a. Now for subtraction, you can see here 6 is not equal to 0, minus 2 minus, minus 5 minus 3, minus 2 plus 6, 4, and minus 2 minus, minus 5. So minus 2 plus 5, 3, 3 minus 3, 0. 4 is not equal to 0. So subtraction is not associative. For multiplication, you can see minus 2 into minus 5 into 3 is equal to minus 2 into 5 3s are 15 and 15 2s are 30. In same way, minus minus plus 5 2s are 10, 10 into 30. So multiplication is associative. Now for division. In division, minus 2 divided by minus 5 divided by 3. So minus 2 divided by minus 5 upon 3. Minus 2 multiplication sign. Reciprocal we will write minus 3 upon 5. So minus minus plus 6 upon 2 3s are 6 upon 5. In second condition, you can see here minus 2 divided by minus 5 divided by 3. 2 minus minus cancel, 2 upon 5. Multiplication sign we will change. Reciprocal of 3 is 1 upon 3. 2 ones are 2, 5 3s are 15. These two are fractions or rational numbers. So it is not, these two numbers are not integer. So division is not associative. Okay.